Welcome to the Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to edit our existing contact in our phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So first we have to go to our phone book, our contacts at the bottom right here, and here we have our available contacts, for example, Mr. Adam. So to change our contact name, for example, or our phone number, we have to go to options here, and here we have at the bottom edit function. Now we can change whatever we want, change name, change phone, email groups, everything that is available here can be changed. Remember to save, and now Adam is changed to our new name. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.